it's Nørgaard. So today it's time for another Flashback Friday, and we're doing this smoky, cool toned, dramatic look. And today I'm using this New York color trio in the color Skyrise Steel. And this is definitely a major throwback because New York color doesn't exist anymore, at least I think so. And I actually picked this one up at like a clearance sale when they were, when they were just going out of business. And it was ridiculously inexpensive. It was like $1 or $2. And yeah, the quality also kind of reflects the price. It's not the best quality. I will talk more about that throughout the tutorial. Of course, if you don't have this trio, you can easily substitute these colors. These are very common colors. But yeah, even though the palette is not top notch, I still like the way the look turned out. And I feel like this just goes to show that if you're willing to work with a palette, you can make almost anything work. Of course, sometimes you ain't got time for that. But yeah, the final look turned out cute, I think. It just took a little work to get it to this place. So anyways, that is enough talking. If you like the look, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And without further ado, here comes the tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. And the base I'm using today is this one by W7 called I Got the Power, and this one is in the color Temptation. So it's a nice kind of concealer-esque base. So yeah, I'm not using the pillowy base today, thought I would switch it up. And this is the throwback palette that we're going to be using. It looks like this. It's from New York color and it's called Skyrise Steel. So I'm going to start out with the gray color, and I'm using a small flat brush. And I'm packing this on most of the lid. I'm going to leave the very outer corner alone. This color is not the greatest. It looks really pretty right now. You see, it looks nice and pigmented, but it goes kind of patchy and it fades. Like it fades extremely quickly. So that's why I chose to cover it up with some glitter. I don't know if it's going to translate on camera, but I can already tell it's starting to get patchy on the lid. Like look, when we first apply it, it looks great, and then it starts to get patchy and it fades. Then I'm going to take the black. Also the black, I kind of experienced the same problem with this. It starts out looking nice and pigmented, but it kind of fades and just becomes like a gray color. It's not super dark. I think it works a bit better than the gray here, but it's still not the best shadow. But it is doable. And yeah, I'm applying it in the outer corner, and I'm kind of dragging it along the lash line a little bit. I've been liking that effect lately. And I'm also going to just carry it into the transitioning area. So right here above the crease, but not too much yet. We're going to bring it in more later. But first I'm going to take the highlight color and I'm going to apply this all along the brow bone. So I'm taking it all the way in here to where my brow starts. And I always like to apply my brow bone highlight before I start blending upwards, because I feel like it kind of controls the eye look, so I don't go too high with a dark color. But yeah, now I'm just taking the dark gray black color and blending it all the way in here. And of course blending it upwards out in the outer corner. And since we are blending from a very dark color to a very light color, this will take a little bit of time. If you want an easier blend, you can definitely use a transitioning color, but I'm trying to just stick to the palette. And by now you can probably see how much this color has faded. So once we have that, we are going to cover up the gray with some glitter. Okay, so this is my glitter. It's from W7. It's called the Space Debris. So it's a combination of very fine silver glitter and then some bigger pieces that have a holographic shift to them. And to apply it, I'm going to use my e.l.f. glitter primer. So the way I like to do this is just to apply some glitter primer on the back of my hand. This glitter primer you can't mix with the glitter. It's going to make the glitter lose its shine. So the best way to apply this is to just apply it to the back of your hand, pick up some with your finger, apply it to the lid, and then put the glitter on top.
We ain't perfect, no. It's a work in progress, good things go slow.
And loose glitter is a mess. That's just kind of how it is, which is also why I did my eye makeup before my face makeup. But now I'm just going to take some more of the black and I'm just re-intensifying the outer corner. Okay, so I'm going to brush out the glitter from my lashes, and then I'm going to use some gel liner. This is by Inglot, and I like to use gel liner when I'm working with glitter. It just applies better over glitter. And I'm trying to lift my eyes, so I'm going to do a cat eye and keep the liner figure on the outside.
Pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in and I guess
And I'm also applying the gel liner to the upper waterline.
I like that. For the first time you really got me.
And I always get some liner in my lashes. So I'm just using my eyelash comb to go through the lashes to get some of the eyeliner out. And that makes it easier for me to apply mascara, because now my lashes are not gunked up with extra glitter or eyeliner. And the lash I'm going to be using looks like this. So it's slightly flared. So it's going to add to the cat eye shape.
Not bad. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with.
Okay, so once we have the lashes on, we can go ahead and remove the tape. And now for the fallout, I'm going to use a baby wipe to start out, because I do also have some powder shadow fallout. And then for the remaining glitter, you can use some tape, and this will get most of it off. But you are probably going to have some remaining glitter pieces. It's almost impossible to get all the fallout off. But yeah, what I do, I just take a good chunk of Scotch tape, and then I make it into a loop with the sticky side out, and I just put it on my 2 fingers, and I go ahead and pull off the glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my face makeup, and then we can finish off the eyes. Okay, so I have my face and my lip makeup on. So in my waterline, I'm going to pop a bit of this silver eyeliner by Essence in the color Sieste Levy. And I'm going to work with the 2 darkest colors on the lower lash line. So I'm going in with the gray with a pencil brush, and in the outer corner I'm going in with the black on a small flat brush. Okay, so I ended up going all the way in with the black shadow. I felt like the lower lash line needed a little more definition. So to finish off the look, I'm just going to apply some lower lash mascara. I almost forgot, but I'm going to highlight with the white color. And we're just applying it right in the tear duct. Okay, so here is the finished look. So what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cute, especially considering that this is not the best quality. If you had a black, a gray, and a shimmery white color, or maybe an off-white, like really good quality, you could definitely do this look without the glitter, and it would probably also just look a little bit better. But for working with these kind of shadows, I think the look turned out good. I do think they blend pretty nicely. It's just the pigmentation and the fading that I don't like. But yeah, let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also click the bell to get post notifications. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.